Welcome and live good presentation by Coach Maki Macapagal, the Platinum Leader.
Let me introduce to you our company, Live Good, headed by Ben Glusky with 20 years of experience na po sa gantong industriya. Ito maganda. Ben knows how to people win. Minsan may mga taong gustong tumulong pero hindi alam kung paano ka tutulungan. Tama ba? But our CEO Ben Glusky knows how to help people win. Partner with Naudern Kazan, no? A director of field and development. Siya yung nagsabi ng overpricing of product. Tama? Tapos na po ang era ng mga overpricing product. We know that kasi sa mga company po na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas, we know that at least mga malaki-laki po yung markup, no? Mga ano yan, mga 700 to 1,000 times markup. Syempre naman, natural lang naman po yun. At sila magpa-markup kasi doon din nila kinukuha yung mga binibigay nilang commission sa tao. And we have Ryan Goodkin with a doctorate in pharmacy from Palm Beach Atlantic University. Ang maganda po kay Ryan, may unique background siya for being both natural health practitioner as well as pharmacy. Alam niyo po ba ang mga pharmacy, sila yung nagbibigay ng information sa mga doktor kung ganong dosage ang nagbibigay nila. So we are very lucky that we have Sir Ryan Goodkin. Partner with his wife, Lisa Goodkin, Director of Product and Education. Imagine niyo naman po, si Ma'am Liza is may 20 years experience. Saan? Sa health and wellness. So meaning, alam niya po yung ginagawa niya. Kaya nga, di ba, binanggit dito, Lisa knows what works, what doesn't work for people of all levels in terms of health and fitness. So, very credible. Kaya nga natag silang true leadership creates true success. Yan. Okay. Next. So, Live Good is a company that's making a remarkable stride because a blend. Okay, imagine niyo ito a blend of health and entrepreneurial opportunities. Ganon kaganda yung ino-offer ni Live Good. Okay, Live Good is a US-based company. Sa mga hindi po alam, Live Good is a US-based company located sa Florida. As you can see, this is our first distributor center nasa 1201 Jupiter. And good news, globally launched on December 2022. Imagine niyo po si Live Good, 18 months pa lang. Tama? Sabi ng iba, we are in the pioneering stage. I think we are in the positioning stage. Tama? Maganda po at nakita nyo ng maaga sa Live Good kasi we are in the position. Imagine mo, ilo-launch ang automation na naka-join ka na. Kaya doon sa mga hindi pa naka-join, no? Or mga guest namin, alamin mo maigi bakit ka mag-join kay Live Good tonight. And after my presentation, that's the time ka mag-decide. Okay? Now, available in more than 200 countries. Totoo po yan. Later on, papatunayan ko sa inyo na yan ay available. Kasi may mga foreigner na rin po akong member outside the Philippines. Okay? So, fulfillment center, we have right now, operational na po sa Germany. And very soon, we will be having in the Philippines. Kaya sobrang nakaka-excite. Alam niyo po yung pag-evolve ng company na nandito tayo, no? Hindi natin iniiwan with continuous subscription, no? Ay, nako, sobrang ganda. Mabe-bless po talaga lahat ng nag-i-stay kay Live Good. Okay, so lahat po ng product ni Live Good is made in US. Hindi ko naman ho dinidiscriminate ang product ng Philippines, but we're talking about US, that will be a first world country. They have the technology, no, na gumawa ng mga quality product. Ano pa? Imagine niyo po lahat ng product natin dumaan sa masusing, no, pagsusuri. GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices. Ito yung system na nai-ensure yung product natin that consistently produce and control according to the highest quality standard. Alam mo, medyo may idea po ako dyan. Kasi nga po, ako po yung way back, may manager po ako sa aking trabaho. And we consistently followed yung tinatawag namin standard operating procedure. Okay? Ano pa? Sinigurado pa NSF, National Sanitation Foundation, that gives us certifications that verify that each batch of dietary supplement, it's certified does not contain unsafe level of contaminant or prohibited substance or masking. Ano pa? Ito. Pagka, may tanong po ako sa inyo. Pagka organic ba, mahal o mura? Di ba yung itlog? Pag bumili ka ng itlog, sa brown na itlog, mas mahal yung organic. Tama? Kasi pure organic yung ginamit kesa doon sa itlog na isa. Tama, na puti. Ang sabi rito, our product was being certified, sabi USDA organic certification indicate that our product has been grown and manufactured in sustainable, hindi lang sustainable and safe way. It is powerful way to set your product apart from competitors. Sinigurado ni Live Good na yung product natin stand out. Tama? Na wala kang masasabi about our products. Hindi pa yan. Ano pa? Coach Maki meron dyan. Imagine niyo po, sa tagal ko sa industriya ng network marketing, nabighali ako dito kasi they have the certificate of analysis coming from the third party giving us purity and potency. Ano yung mga ahensya na yan? There's Rapid, Makers Nutrition, Aldap, and Jat Labs. And they tested that our product is purity and potency. Hindi pa natatapos yan. Sinigurado pa that this agency was accredited ng American Associations and Laboratories. So imagine niyo po, if you go and take the product, organic, maraming nag-research na kung ano yung laman nun, nandun yun. Sobrang ganda ng product. So yung product, no question asked. Teka, Coach Maki, sabi mo nga organic. Bakit mahal yung product? Tingnan natin. No? Okay. So meron pa mga certifications and verification that our product are very credible when it terms sa mga ZIL na binigay nilang ganyan. Okay? Now, napakasimple. Our mission is to help people get healthy and stay healthy. Kung healthy ka ngayon, di ba? Lahat naman po gusto maging healthy. Correct? Sige nga, type nyo po, i-declare nyo, I am healthy. Sige nga. I am healthy. Yes, Coach, thank you, Lord, for Live Good products na sobrang mura. Okay. Sige nga, tingnan ko nga kung mag-type nga kayo na I am healthy, sabi ni Leonor Camarin. Para maramdaman ko nandiyan kayo. Sorry yan, naninibago lang po talaga ako. Okay, yan. Gusto ko kasi may kausap talaga ako eh. Yan, I am healthy. Yan, I am healthy. Yan, declare niyo po, I am healthy. Yan. So if you're listening right now, you're not healthy enough, don't worry. No? You can stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Hindi na po mahal ang maging malusog. Tama? I remember, way back dun sa aking company, lagi nagtitake po ako ng supplement. Nung nalaman ko ang kalagahan ng supplement. Remember, most of our food, right now, kung mahilig ka lalo sa mga instant, no? Kailangan mo ng supplement. Kasi ang supplement po, nagbibigay po yan ng mga kakulangan. Sila yung nagbibigay ng kakulangan ng protina at sustansya sa ating katawan na hindi na naibibigay ng mga pagkain na kinakain natin. And the good news, no, that gave us the certification that our product are very organic. So yun yung maganda. If I'm not mistaken, no, yung mga product yan dapat pagkapitas pinaprocess na kagad para makuha yung full, no, na protina at sustansya na makukuha natin sa mga nilalagay nila dun sa ating supplement. Okay? So, ganun kaganda. Tama? And sigurado tayo dun kasi because we have the certificate coming from the USDA. Now, okay. So, we have the highest product. We check already the profile, no? And we have the highest product. We consider that our product, based on the diniscuss ko, that considered the highest product. Also, the purest and most healthy, no? Healthy ingredients na meron tayo. And hindi pa yun. Sabi nyo nga kanina, no, baka mahal kasi organic. Ang maganda niyan, best product, less than half the price. Tama po yung pagkakarinig nyo. Most of our product, lahat halos ng product natin is less than half the price. Paano yan? As you can see, binanggit na po ni Sir Elmo, yung mga nakaten kanina kay Sir Elmo, binanggit niya na kung gaano kagaganda yung mga product, no? So, we have a new product. We have the whey protein, the children's, no? If that, hirap kayo magpainom, Gummy. Your hormonal balance para sa mga babae, para maging balance. Okay. Also, we are very glad kasi meron tayong product bundle packages. Yun yung maganda. At take note, merong ino-offer sa Legod na international wellness pack. Na kung saan, ang mga nandito, yung multivitamins po natin, yung super green, yung super red para sa mga may problema sa cardio. At the same time ko, yung mister nyo po, malakas maghilik, o yung misis nyo, painumin nyo po yan. Factor 4, no? D3, K2, and magnesium, lahat po yan tinitake ko. So, okay? So, imagine mo to, lahat po nandito sa package na to, these are all bestseller product. Hindi ho yan nilagay para paubos lang. Di ba usually pag bundle, nilalagay lang yung gusto paubos. No. This is our best product. Okay? And good news, this is discounted rate for shipping fee. It will cost you only $99.95. But the good news, once you purchase the product, the International Wellness, may almost, if I'm not mistaken, makakasave ka ng malaki when it comes to shipping. Kasi nga, ang thinking natin pag US, medyo mahal ang shipping. But take note, if you order this package or yung pack na to, no, makukuha mo lang siya in $99.95. Almost $100. Kasama na po shipping doon. Yan. Next, we have the money 90 days guarantee back. Within 90 days, naubos mo yung product, no? I-send mo lang yung empty cup, no? Babalik ni Livegood yung binayad mo. Ganon kami kakumpiyansa sa aming mga produkto. Okay. A life-changing products unmatched. Let's see the product comparison. As you can see, yung Litten brand, no, sa US, it will cost you $47 o mas mahal ng 79% compare mo dun sa multivitamins natin. Ang ating 3K2, mas mahal yung leading brand ng 75%. So as you can see, our product are very affordable. But, take note, it's organic. Okay, yung AG1, ito po ang tinitake ng mga athlete sa US. As some movies na mga athlete, no? Yan yung tinitimpla nila. And take note, almost lahat po nung nandito rin sa Super Green. But if you're going to take this AG1, it will cost you $100. Pero kay Super Green, it will cost only $18. Tama? Oh, yan Super Red, no? Okay? Mas mahal yung competitor natin ng 74%. Okay? Na pa? So we have the life-changing product testimony. Marami na po. Nung kami po nag-join, hindi pa ganun karami ang testimony ng product. But right now, we are very blessed kasi marami na po kayong makikitang testimony. Not only testimony, but also reviews dun sa ating dashboard once you have your dashboard. Yan. Now, Coach Maki, networking ba si Livegood? On our side, no, ang pattern po kasi is club membership. When we're talking about SNR, is a member shopping mall or club. When we're talking about Glanders, we're talking about also a club membership. So Livegood is also a club membership. When we're talking about your internet provider na nag-subscribe ka, Netflix, Zoom, as a subscription, Livegood is also a subscription business. So hindi po siya networking kasi ang pattern po natin is a club membership and a subscription business. I'm hoping I'm clear po doon, no? Iba po ang networking, traditional networking, when we're talking about club membership and subscription business. Bakit ba yan ang kinuha natin na pattern? Okay, let's talk about subscription. Gaano ba kalaki ang economy ng subscription? Okay, when we're talking about this company, they giving privilege and discount. When we're talking SNR and Landers, may free and may mga discount product kayo dyan. Costco also, no? Netflix, nai-enjoy mo yung service and entertainment, just like Amazon. Okay? Pagka gusto mo naman medyo magpaganda-ganda na katawan, we have the fitness gym and the Gold's Gym. Now, magkano ba yung kinikita nila? Para aware po kayo, no? Magkano yung kinikita nila? Imagine niyo po, Netflix, you're paying almost $10. Pero si Netflix, I saw dun sa explanation ni Sir Elmo, no? Matagal na si Netflix. But yet, ang subscriber niya, 260 million subscribers. They gained $33 billion. Ulitin ko ha, $33 billion in revenue in 2023. Eh yung kumita, magkano? Yung profit na may-ari, 5.4 billion net profit. Sino kumita lang? Yung may-ari. Tama? Sa tagal mo nanonood ng Netflix, wala kang kinikita. Let's talk about Costco. Okay, Costco has a 127 million members. Hindi ka pa man nabibigyan ng serbisyo o hindi ka pa man nakakabili ng product, but Costco gained 4.5 billion in revenue. So $1 billion po ang pinag-uusapan natin when we're talking about the club membership and subscription. So potential, no? Potential nakitaan ang subscription. Now, sabi nga namin, though this company offer amazing products and services, hindi mo matatawaran yan. Talagang magaganda yung product and services na. Ano pinagkaiba kay Livegood? They don't have what Livegood has. Ano yon? A subscriptions that pays. Imagine niyo po, sa tagal mo nang nagsasubscribe or nagbabayad ng monthly dito sa mga company nakikita mo, yet hindi ka kumita. So, ito may consider this as a expenses. Pero when Livegood saying that a subscription that pay, meaning, pag nag-subscribe ka, may chance kang kumita. Ano ba ang mabe-benefit mo pag ikaw ay part na ni Livegood? Okay. Again, a higher discount sa ating mga product. Almost factory price kasi 25% na lang. You will enjoy 75% sa lahat ng product. Ano pa? 3 replicated website. Pag kumuha ka sa market nito, it will cost you 100,000 to 200,000. Coach Maki, ibig sabihin walang product. Okay, there's two kind of product right now na available sa market. When we're talking about tangible products, sa traditional networking, pag naglabas ka ng pera, para ka nabentahan ng bulky products. Kasi yung nilabas mong membership, binili mo na SRP, yung package na may product. And after buying it, that's the time ka palang magkakaroon ng discount. In Livegood, once you become part, isa sa mga benefit mo, yung replicated website na magagamit mo sa business mo. So number 1, the corporate site, all about the company. Retail site, no? Ang retail site, kaibigan, is considered as an e-commerce and dropshipping. Bakit? Yung link mo, ipadala mo sa mga amiga mo, kumpare mo na gusto i-try ang product, they're the one who's going to choose the product, they're the one who's going to pay the product dun sa online. Para siyang Shopee, Lazada. No, wala kang physical store, wala kang product, but yet, pwede kang magbenta because you have a link na ipo-forward mo lang dun sa mga gustong bumili ng product. Okay? Also, we have the power landing page. No? Gusto mong magpalaki ng club membership mo, dumami affiliate mo. Ito naman, hindi mo na kailangan na puntahan pa yung prospect mo, no, para pa-fill up ng application form because of the power landing page that we have. Pwede na sila mag-fill up online. Ano pa? So we have free trainings, napakarami pong available trainings na binibigay ang ating DMW. We have already the community. So you must like the page of our DMW para lagi kang na-update o nakikita mo doon yung community. And what I love in Livegood, the advantages that we have. Ano yung mga advantages natin compare mo sa market? Number 1, no mandatory buying. Hindi mo kailangan bumili ng product. No auto ship. Wala kang quota. No? Yung tipong kailangan makaubos ka na ganito para makuha yung mo. Walang ganun. Walang points monitoring. Walang flash out. Sa mga networkers, mag-encode ka lang na mag-encode. Pwede yan. No personal sales required. Imagine niyo po yun. Tama? O ano pa? Ito maganda. Sabi sa akin nung ini-invite ako dito, maganda si Lebgood kasi kikita ka kahit wala kang binibetang product o binibiling product. Sabi ko, for about almost 2 dekada ako sa network marketing, imposibleng walang ibebentang product. And take note, totoo naman pala. Kasi bakit? Buy the products what you want when you want. Ibig pong sabihin, bibili ka lang ng product kung kailan mo gusto at ano ang gusto mo. Hindi ka ma-force to buy for any valid reason kasi nga ikaw ay kailangan bumili ng product kasi kailangan mo makuha yung commission mo. Tama? So, ganun. Kaya dito, patay na po yung tinatawag nating black market. No? Yung product na binibenta namin that time, binibenta na namin sa tamang presyo pero may mas mura pala sa online. So yan, wala nang ganun. Okay? Now, how to become part of Live Good? Yan. So you have two options. Number one, you can make a monthly, a one-time lifetime affiliate fee of $40, then a monthly subscription ng $9.95 that it will cost you $49.95. Okay? With the succeeding months of $9.95. Sa pera natin yan, roughly, sabihin natin kung ang palitan ay 60 pesos, that will be 3,000. Okay? Now, may option ka. Kung ayaw mo nang may iniisip pa binabayaran ka monthly, take the option 2, yung yearly. Kasi we have a one-time lifetime $40. Again, instead of $120 in 1 year, imagine niyo po, no? Hindi ka pa man member, may enjoy mo na yung tinatawag namin discount. Instead na $120, ang babayaran mo lang 20, save ka na ng $20. It's only $139.95. Again, that is only 8,400. The benefits na meron ka, tapos ito yung mga option na pwede mong pagpilian. Tama? So, napaka-affordable ng ating membership. Imagine mo, compare mo sa mga traditional networking na napagdaanan namin, medyo mahal ang membership, pero nagagawa namin makapagpa-pay. Nagtatap kami. What more pa itong 3,000 lang? Tama? So, ano yung business na ibubukas mo na sa only 3,000, global ang market mo? Give me a company or give me a business na for only 3,000 pesos in the comfort of your room, no? Nasa bahay ka lang, pero yet nagagawa mo yung business. Alam niyo po, ako po ay full-time tatay at full-time na husband na may full-time income. Bakit? Nasa bahay na lang po ako. Na-enjoy ko pong kasama yung family ko. Yan. Sino yung gustong ganon? Gusto niyo ba na kumikita kayo na nasa bahay kayo? Sige nga, type nyo nga po dyan. Gustong gusto. Yan, sa mga OFW natin na matutulungan natin sa gitong business, you have a chance, no? Na makauwi na sa Pilipinas at ikaw magkaroon ng sariling negosyo na tumatakbo na kahit nasaan ka. No? May internet ka lang, may computer ka sa bahay, cellphone, nako, tumatakbo na yung negosyo mo. Tama? Yan, gustong gusto. I-declare nyo po yan, no? I-declare nyo yan kasi posible na pong mangyari yan kasi nangyayari na po sa amin. Okay? Nangyayari na po sa akin. Nasa bahay lang po ako. Di katulad doon dating nasa traditional networking po ako. Babayahin kami ng Bicol. No? Ang hirap po that time. Pero right now, grabe pinadali na ni Live Good. No? Hindi po para utuin kayo, ha? It's true. Very, very true. Okay? Now, kung decided ka na gawin sa Live Good, take a look at kung maganda ba yung kitaan. Tama? Tingnan mo maigi kung maganda yung kitaan. Okay? So, we have 7 ways to earn. Pag-usapan natin yung matrix commission at matching bonus na nakukuha namin yan every first Thursday of the month. Kaya yung mga member ngayon ni Live Good, next week, all happy na naman. Kasi bakit? Uulan na naman ng dollar next week. Kasi first Thursday, next week ay October na po. So yung first Thursday nun, may income na naman kami. Galing po yan sa matrix commission, sa matching bonus, and if ever we have the weekly, magkakasama po yung tatlo na binibigay. Kasi yung weekly fast start, they give yung week income natin every Thursday. Sa Philippines, Thursday night. Sa ibang bansa, Friday. Yan. Also, Diamond Bonus Pool, I consider Diamond Bonus Pool is my early retirement. O, yun early retirement. Bakit? Kasi yung Diamond Bonus Pool, ito po, ang income mo nito, nagre-range po ng $5,000 to $7,000. O, imagine mo, that is roughly 300 to 400,000 na kita. Tama? Pwede ka na mag-retire pag yun nakita mo. Naiisip niyo ba yun? Na kung magkano yung kinikita mong gano'n, magre-retiro ka na, uwi ka na? O yung mga nanay yung mga nanay natin dyan na nasa bahay lang, na gumagawa ng gawaing bahay, magre-retire ka na kasi pwede mo na kumuha ng katulong. Tama? Magre-retiro ka na bilang dun sa mga taga-labaka, taga-plancha, taga-luto. So, pwede ka na kumuha ng kasambahay. So, teka lang, Coach Maki, baka naman napakatagal ko din yan. Huwag kang mag-alala. May nakakuha ng 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, at pinakapatagal, 1 year. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, kung sila nakuha nila na mas maaga, why not? Anong reason para di rin natin makuha ng mas maaga? Tama? Now, so let's go ahead dun sa ating pag-usapan na natin kung magkano yung kitaan. Okay. So, Matrix Commission, you are entitled to earn up to 15th level under the Matrix. Once you join us, we consider you as unranked. Kasi single account lang po tayo kay LiveGood. So, for every Matrix o sa mga under the Matrix mo, you will earn $0.25. Or, entitled ka to earn on a monthly potential income na $2,047. Guys, $2,047, almost nasa 120,000 na po yan. Imagine niyo po, yung promise na income na ibibigay ng Matrix, komportableng buhay na po ang meron tayo kay LiveGood pagka ganyan. Bakit? Dito sa Pilipinas, kumikita ka ng 100,000 to 150,000, bibigyan ka ng komportableng buhay. Tama? Oh. Now, paano tayo kikita sa Matrix bukod sa 0.25? Oh, meron tayong tinatawag na Matrix income on spillover. For example, ako yung sponsor mo. I'm aggressive. Gusto kong kumita ng $2,047 a month. Tama? Kaya ako ay nag-share ng business ni LiveGood. Nag-share ako sa maraming tao and may nag-join sa team ko. No? So, I have 2 directs, no? I considered myself as bronze na kasi isa sa mga requirements yan ay 2 direct. Now, ang pag-usapan natin, ikaw. Yan. Listen very carefully, sa mga first-timer po namin. Under the Matrix spillover, hindi po kami ang maglalagay ng spillover. System po ni LiveGood ang maglalagay. Paano nangyayari yan? For example, if this is you, for any valid reason, ikaw ay busy, hindi pa nagagawa yung business, pero you decided to join, no? Pero ako po ay aggressive, no? Katulad na sinabi ko sa inyo, gusto kong kumita ng $2,047. And I'm doing LiveGood full-time. That's the reason may sumali na naman sa akin. Ayan, 4 ang sumali. Now, take note. Uulitin ko hindi po kami ang naglagay. Si LiveGood. Now, what if merong isang aggressive leaders na nakuha ko na accidentally, yun ang na-spill over sa'yo. Tama? And imagine, for every member who was paying their monthly subscription, $9.95 or $10, you will earn $0.25. Siguro mga 16 pesos o 17 pesos yan. Tama? O what if etong leader na to nakakreate ng 100 members? O since ikaw pinag-uusapan natin, good news, you earn $25. Kasi $0.25 multiplied by 100 is $25. Imagine niyo para ka nang binigyan ni LiveGood ng pang-subscribe. And that's happening on us right now. No, hindi na po kami naglalabas sa sarili naming bulsa ng pambayad na subscription.